The man who tried to change fate.
A long time ago in England, there lived a very rich man who was known for his great skill at telling the future. He would have big parties in his big house. At the parties, he would tell the future of his guests. The man was very proud of his skill because he was very good at it. The rich man had a baby boy. He was interested in knowing his son's fate. The father was not pleased with what he saw. His son was supposed to marry a very poor girl who lived in a village near their home. The rich man was not satisfied with his son's future. The man went to the village. The girl who his son was supposed to marry had been born only 1 month before. The family was worried about feeding the new baby. They already had many children. The rich man told the family,
I know a couple who can't have children. Give me your daughter. I will be responsible for her until the couple comes to get her.
Of course, the poor family was surprised by the rich man's offer, but they agreed. As he was going home, the rich man stopped by the river. He wanted to be sure that the girl would never marry his son. He put the baby girl in a bag that was made of leather and threw her in the river. However, the bag was full of air, so it floated. A fisherman found the bag and took the baby home. His wife was fond of children, so they raised the girl as if she were their own daughter. Many years later, the girl happened to meet the rich man's son. They fell in love and were ready to get married. The rich man noticed that she was similar to the girl he had thrown in the river. He went to visit the fisherman and heard the story. It was the same girl. However, he knew that he would be in trouble if he tried to kill the girl now. He took the girl to the river. Then the man threw his ring into the river and said,
Bring that ring to my next party, and then you can marry my son.
The girl went away. Her eyes were filled with tears. The girl wanted to cook some delicious food for the party. She hoped that the man would be impressed by her skill and change his mind. She bought the biggest fish in the market and took it home. When she cut the fish open, she found a ring inside. "Ah, it's the rich man's ring!" she shouted. "I'm sure of it!" She didn't want to be late for the party, so she dressed quickly and ran to the rich man's house. Before the party was over, the girl went up to the rich man and gave him his ring back. Now she could marry his son. He finally realized that he could not change fate.